Love for foreign languages.
Desserts. Vocabulary.
Gelatin. Frozen yogurt. Pie. Napoleon dessert. Cheesecake. 3 milk cake. Muffin. Rice pudding. Cupcake. Wedding cake. Mousse. Pudding. Ice cream. Flan. Chocolate cake. Sponge cake. Airy keep. Brownie. Cookies. Fruitcake. Candies, sweets. Tiramisu. Banana split. Caramel. Slush. Frosted.
Likes and dislikes expressions. Verbs to express likes. Love, like, adore, prefer, rather, want, would like, would love. Verbs to express dislikes. Don't love, don't like, dislike, hate, loathe, wouldn't like. Verbs to express indifference. Is fine, okay, any is good, whatever is well, don't mind, don't care. Examples.
What would you like for dessert?
I want a piece of cheesecake, and you, Marianne?
I'd love to have vanilla ice cream.
Would you like anything for dessert?
I adore pie. I'd like a piece of apple pie.
Sorry ma'am, we ran out of pie. Wouldn't you prefer anything else from the menu?
Well, I like flan too. What do you want, Mike?
I rather have some chocolate cake.
What do you have for dessert?
We have mousse and pie, sir.
I hate mousse and I dislike pie too. Is there any problem, Mrs.?
Yes. I loathe peanuts. I ordered a caramel muffin without peanuts.
Well, I wouldn't like to eat this either. I don't like seeds in the dessert.
What would you have for dessert?
I'd love to eat gelatine, I don't mind the flavor. And you girls?
Any piece of cake is good for me.
I don't care about cakes, but whatever slush would be perfect.
Well, we have several cupcake flavors. Would you like one in specific, Mom?
Let me see. Okay, brownie is good, but whatever flavor is good.
Good, Mom. Vanilla and lemon cupcake will be alright.